Hello guys, welcome back to my video. In the 21st century, we all know that the technology is getting so sophisticated and people now have so many ways how to share their opinions, ideas or information through the internet. And one of the ways is through blog. There are two kinds of blog. The first one is video blogs, like videos that you often see on YouTube, and the second one is the blog itself. So blog means web blog, so it's web based. Now, so what is a blog? So this is the picture of the first time you start with a blog. So you have to create a blog and you have to register yourself first, and this is the definition. So a blog is an online diary or journal located on a website. The content of a blog typically includes text, pictures, videos, animated GIFs, and even scans from old physical offline diaries or journals and other hard copy documents. Since a blog can exist merely for personal use, share information with an exclusive group, or to engage the public, a blog owner can set their blog for private or public access. So the point is, a blog is an online diary or journal located on a website. So I guess you probably often write your diary in your diary book, but you can also write your diary online. How? Through a blog. Now inside the blog, you don't only write your story or information there, but you can just also post your videos and pictures and any other stuffs. Right, now how can we make a blog? So there are actually so many kinds of blog platforms or websites. Yeah, these are the examples of how to start a blog. So you have to register on one of these websites, yeah, like WordPress and Wix.com, Blogger, Ghost, Medium, Tumblr, and Squarespace. Now Wix.com is the newest one, and the most well-known ones are WordPress, Blogger, and Tumblr. Now, the young people usually like Tumblr for making blogs. And then, maybe you have ever heard stories about people making money through blogs. Yes, that's right. You can make not only small money but big money with blogs. How? Yeah, of course you have to start your blog first and then write the contents, and then make sure you make your blog as attractive, interesting as possible, and then people are interested in reading your blog. And then you have got enough viewers, you can register your blog to, this is called Google AdSense. Google AdSense is like an advertisement company, which work with most blogs and YouTube, and then that company will put advertisements to your blogs. And then you will get the profit sharing if you are connected with Google AdSense already. Just like YouTube, you can also make money with YouTube by uploading videos. But of course, you have to be connected with Google AdSense. If you're connected already, the Google AdSense will put advertisement to your videos or blogs like that. Now, who knows, you want to be a blogger or video blogger in the future, Wish you luck. Now, here I'm going to tell you about top 5 Indonesian bloggers that you probably know, but I actually don't know them because they are not artists, but they are famous on the internet. The first one is Rama Mamuaya. Okay, this is his website, and well, dailysocial.id, and he's got lots of followers, 139,000 followers and 12,000 likes on Facebook, on his Facebook page. Yeah, his blog mainly talks about tech policy, entrepreneurship, and innovation. The next one goes to Kang Iwan Banaran. Well, Kang Iwan has this website called iwanbanaran.com with 136,000 followers on his Instagram page and 11,000 followers on his Twitter page and 206,000 likes on his Facebook page. Well, his blog mainly talks about sports and motorbikes. Yeah, and the third place goes to Julia, Veronica, and Marius Tjenderasa. Yeah, this is their picture, and their blog is anakjajan.com, and they've got 346,000 followers on their Instagram page. Wow, that's a lot. And 4,000 followers on their Twitter page and 3,700 likes on their Facebook page. Well, I think they are a couple. I don't know. Well, their blog talks about food and traveling. Yeah, it's clear enough. Yeah, anakjajan.com. So it talks about food. Yeah, okay, it's clear. All right, the next one, the fourth, is Andra Alodita, and her blog is alodita.com. She's got 253,000 followers on her Instagram page and 12.9k followers on her Twitter page. She's still young too and beautiful, and her blog discusses about fashion, it should be beauty, yeah. Fashion, beauty, travel, and parenting. I guess she's a parent too. No wonder, yeah? She talks about parenting. And the last one goes to Olivia Lazuardy. Yeah, she's a young woman, and her blog is olivialazuardy.com. She's got 294,000 followers on her Instagram page and 1.4 thousand followers on her Twitter page. And her blog talks about fashion tips, tricks, and travel and personal styles. Well, no wonder she talks about fashion tips and tricks, because here on her pictures she looks stylish, like a young lady who likes to go to the mall. I guess. Okay, yeah, well, that's all, yeah. Alright guys, so that's all about short introduction to a blog. So hopefully you are interested, yeah, about this short explanation about blog. And if you are interested enough to make a blog, you can register yourself through the blog websites, yeah, such as Blogger, WordPress, or Tumblr. There you can post anything, yeah, about your story or your personal experience, and then you can upload or post your videos, images, pictures, and many stuffs, and then let your visitors read your contents. Okay, thank you very much. Hopefully this information is useful for you, and thank you for watching my video. I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.